Jai Hind everyone. Today is the 47th day of recording the video in English to boost my English communication skill. And basically, it was a challenge of 60 days, and I have improved a lot. I have learned a lot from it, and also I have made my bold personality, courageous person. And basically, I want to thank myself for initiating that one kind of a challenge for upcoming 60 days, and I have improved a lot. I want to tell you the story about it and how I have started. So basically, when I have given my AFSB from 2 AFSB Mysore, I have got conference out, and from to 4 AFSB Varanasi, I have got screen out. So at that moment, I have realized like what kind of a mistakes I have did. So one of the major mistakes that was upcoming, and I have analyzed, and it was my English communication skill. I wasn't able to put my thoughts in front of the interviewing officer because of I have gotten nervous, and also my English communication was skill bad. So I wasn't able to feel confident at that moment for giving my answers of the questions. So at that moment I have realized like I have to do something kind of a bold thing that enhances my personality, that boosts my communication skill, and basically it makes me a overall a good human being. So at that moment when I have cleared the written examination of the NDA 2025, I think I had let's do something extraordinary, kind of a courageous, kind of a bold thing. Then I have realized I can take the challenge of the 60 days for making the video and recording the video in English, totally in English. And that's why I have started it. I have uplift my camera, then I have talk in English, something, everything or something that come in my mind. I have it leads to the good personality shaping. And after that I have engaged in my studies. I have prepared for the SSB interview, and today I think there will be my interview, personal interview, scheduled by the Amit Kumar, who is also recommended from 5 AFSB Guwahati. So it leads to overall a good satisfaction level to me. And abhi just I have recorded the lecturate of the 3 minutes, and then it boosts my confidence. And I want to tell you something, like when I was initially recording the video and giving the lecture in front of the camera, I wasn't confident because of I don't have sufficient words, and I wasn't thoughtful about it because of when I do something, when I tell something, I was thinking in mind and then delivering it to the in front of the camera. But right now it's totally abolished. It eliminated, it eradicated because of the reason is simple, my initiative for upcoming 60 days. And I want to inform you I will continue it up to the 90 days, and after that it will lead to a good personality shaping